I'm Dr. Henry, and today we're going to go over one of my favorite advanced neck stretching protocols. This is specifically for people that wake up in the morning and let's say like their whole side of their neck is just really tight. They didn't really do anything that they can recall. They just woke up. Everything is really locked down. It doesn't seem like it's like one muscle in there. It seems like it's the whole side of the neck. It's really achy to kind of stretch it. This is for that. It walks in my office pretty frequently. It's really slow to progress sometimes, but this is the homework that I send those people home with. And remember, I've done an exam. I've ruled out big, bad, nasty things. I know this is a soft tissue issue. It's really achy and it's a really big, slow, pain in the butt process to deal with. So this is what we're doing as far as homework goes. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sit up nice and tall, and I am gonna kind of move my neck around, and I'm basically searching for where I can feel the most tension in that side of my neck here. So if I am at this angle, that's gonna be our starting point. If I'm back here and I feel like I have the most tension through that line here, that's gonna be my starting point. So we're fishing around for it a little bit, and let's say it's right there. So what I wanna do is I actually wanna contract these muscles here for about 10 seconds at about 50%. So my protocol, I start 50%, then I do 75, then I do about 100%. So I'm gonna contract those tissues by taking this hand, kind of reaching over the top here, and I'm keeping my head leaned this way, remember, and basically I'm gonna kind of push my head into my hand, and I'm thinking about contracting that whole line of tension that I have through all those tissues. So I'm pushing my head into that hand, and I'm contracting about 50%. I'm gonna hold that for about 10 seconds, nice and easy here. And then this is an important part. So I'm gonna keep my head tilted this way, and from here, I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna put it over here this time, and now I'm gonna contract my head, all these muscles pushing to the right here. So I'm gonna contract about 50% again, about 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold that. And then in between these sets, I like to kind of shake it out a little bit because sometimes it can feel uncomfortable. So we're gonna shake it out a little bit. I'm gonna kind of find that line of tension again. I'm gonna bring this hand over here, and this time we're gonna do 75%. So 75% contraction going this way, pushing into it for about 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold that guy, 0, 10, got it. And I'm gonna kind of take my hand here, do about 10 more seconds this way, that 75% intensity, and then I'm gonna kind of shake it out again. Remember, after we stretch this side, don't kind of remove your head here and do this. Keep everything tilted here, right where you feel that line of tension on that side. So shake it off again. This time we're gonna go back to it. We're gonna do 100% or whatever you're comfortable with as far as a max contraction goes, guys. Remember, I've done an exam on this. I know what's going on with these people. There's nothing big, bad, nasty happening. And also, nothing should be painful here. We're not contracting into pain. You should feel good. You should kind of feel like these tissues are relaxing. So no pain's allowed in this stuff. So we're gonna kind of move our head around again. I'm gonna find that line of tension right through there. Take this hand, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna do about 100% contraction or whatever I'm comfortable with, 10 seconds. We're gonna keep our head tilted this way. We're gonna put a hand here, do about 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna kind of relax. And afterwards, I like to follow this up with a lot of range of motion. So ideally, you just loosened up these tissues on the side of your neck. Now the goal is to tell your body like, hey, you know, I use these muscles. I'm using these range of motion. This new range that we just got, I'm using it. So don't just tighten it back up on me and get me back to, you know, the starting point in an hour from now. So I do some big neck circles, kind of move that neck around, move those tissues around, and hopefully this loosens things up for you. Hopefully it helps you feel a little bit better. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.